Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lexy, and if you are new here, I talk a lot of beauty, skincare, makeup, etc. And today's video, we are going to just try a bunch of stuff, have first impression on a lot of new makeup products and some other things that I got. Some of them were gifted, some of them were giveaway wins, and some of them I personally purchased. So let's keep on watching. I got my Coke Zero right here. I cannot stand Diet Coke. Ugh. Ooh, that sound, music to my ear. Does anyone else also do this, or am I just a weirdo? I always like a little bit of lime in my Coke. I'm gonna go wash my hands, because you need to do that every like 5 minutes. Alright, first thing first, I'm gonna wipe off everything because apparently I got enough makeup to do a full face. I was going to start with a bare face, but I wanted to do a whole video kind of type on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you see it. I show all the products that I will be trying today on there. And I feel like that would be kind of like a routine that I continue to do. Give like a little teaser of what I will be showing. Alrighty, my face is nice and clean. It needs a little bit of care though, because I basically wiped away all my skincare as well. I have this matcha milk by 4th Grade Beauty right next to my makeup station. I love the sound. Ugh. I call this dumpling dance. I didn't get any new primer this time, so I'm going to go in with my primer that I already have, which is a Pixi Beauty Flawless Beauty Primer. I've had this primer for a little bit now. It gives like a really subtle glow underneath your foundation, which I love. So while I'm waiting for this primer to kind of set, I am going to go pop on some new contact lenses. Thank you so much HONEYCOLOR for sending me the new Sassy Eyes contact lens. I got the pair in shade Teal Green, and this is prescription so that I can actually see. So be right back. I cannot wait for the days that I can get LASIK surgery, guys, because I am blind AF. So these are supposed to be the teal green. They kind of read a little bit more blue to me. Is it just me? I guess more like a turquoise. What's the difference between a turquoise and a teal anyway? I think teal is more green, turquoise more blue. I could be wrong, I don't know. I am gonna go in with the SEN Organics foundation. So all the SEN Organics that I got from a giveaway that I won on Instagram. Thank you so much Salty Block and SEN Organic for sending me these. They arrived so fast, and they sent me a little card that said you are the best, and there's a handwritten message on it. It's just adorable. It comes in like a little glass bottle. It feels very expensive. It's like shake well before use in big letters. So the brand is based out of Irvine, California, and this is a made in USA. So this is shade 10. I hope this matches me well. Pumping, pumping. There we go. Looks like it might match. Huh. It's very creamy. I've been using a lot of foundation lately. It kind of have a little bit more like a watery texture, so this is interesting. I look crazy. Let's blend this out. I might gone a little too light. Doesn't seem to be blending really well with a brush. It's very streaky right now. I'm kind of oily. Okay, I'm gonna go wet my Real Technique blender because I don't think this is working out. Be right back. This is looking better. Definitely looking better. I was like, I really want to love this product. Don't make it fail for me. So I don't look too bad in real life. Like, this difference doesn't look that bad in real life, but the camera seems to pick up me a lot brighter. I'm staring in the viewfinder and I'm like, very different shade, like 2 shade difference. I don't know if I really love the finish. I feel like it's a little bit too oily looking on me and kind of accentuate the parts that I don't love. I have some of like little dry skin right here because of the acne mirrored cream that I put on, and this foundation seemed to pick up a lot of the little like skin flakes that I have around it. So it's not exactly flattering, and I'm really trying to like push this down to my skin. It's a little tacky still, and I've been blending for a little bit. Kids, don't touch your face, by the way. Do what I say, not what I do. Maybe if I didn't use the Pixie primer, maybe it would be a little different. So I want to try that without the primer and see what that looks like. But for right now, I'm not super into it. Let's move on. So I picked up a new concealer. This is a KOSAS concealer. I got this from Sephora when they had their Beauty Insider sale. It's always really hard to shop online for concealer and foundation because you never know what shade really like works well with you. It's very interesting doe foot. I've never seen a doe foot like this before. It's very flat and like thin. That is definitely too yellow and too dark. That is not the shade of concealer I should have picked. I usually like to go like at least 1 or 2 shades lighter, and I thought I did. I guess not. So I'm just gonna try to use this to cover like little spot concealer because it seemed to match as well with the rest of my skin. I usually have like a huge zit under my chin on my period, but right now it's moved over here. So weird. I think the concealer is doing an okay job. It has like this medium coverage, really buildable, which I like. I wouldn't use this for like a full coverage kind of look though, but maybe on like a daily basis it's alright. I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills contouring palette to hopefully brighten this up. I haven't whipped this out for a hot minute, you guys. I like this with the powder on. I'm not a fan of just it by itself. So I don't know if I would use it that much just because I don't really powder a whole lot. My skin is usually a combination skin, but for summer, it tends to get a lot more oily. It looks so smooth, like a baby. That's all what women's want, right? We just want to look like a baby, like a newborn. No pores whatsoever. All right, that looks pretty good. I mean, I am still a lot lighter than my neck. So next thing, we are going to go in with some bronzer. I picked this up from the same Sephora order. This is a Tarte C Breezy Cream Bronzer. Oh, very interesting shape, compact. So cute. It's huge. This is shade Seychelles. This would be interesting. I don't really use cream bronzer, so let's try it with this brush. It's very soft. Ooh, that picked up a lot. I'm kind of scared. All right. Ooh, ooh. Okay, okay. This blends out really well. Like, it's very smooth. Let's go back with a little bit of that same blender. Definitely kind of a little bit goes a long way type of product, guys. Don't do what I did. This actually worked really well, like a bronze touring kind of a thing. I like it. This might be like my new favorite thing. This definitely takes a little bit of like learning curve to work with if you don't really use a lot of cream product. I haven't used any cream bronzer. I've used a lot of cream blushes, but I feel like blush is a little bit more forgiving in application. I don't know. I need to try this out more, but I'm loving it so far. Like, ooh, look at that glow. Ooh, there's a streak. Next up, I am going to use a SEN Organic blush. This is in shade At First Sight. This is the shade color. How pretty. It's like a warmer mauve. I'm gonna just try to swatch it. Ooh, cute. All right, let's see. Ooh, oh, so cute. Oh my God. Yes. Oh, it does have a little mirror, by the way, but it's just like really small. I'm gonna do a little bit of this. It's just, I love this shade so much. Oh my God. I'm so glad. It was so hard to choose one, guys. So part of the giveaway win is that I only get one blush. And it took me, I don't even know, I want to say 20 minutes to just like go through the same shades. Like, which one do I want? Which one do I want? So I might need to go back and like buy the rest of them because I really like this. I am going to do my brows now. So I got a duo from Glossier. This is a boy brow. That is like a grooming pomade, like a gel. And I also got the Brow Flick, which is a microfine detailing pen, which I've always wanted. I've seen so many YouTubers and so many Instagram people use this. And okay, so I think what I want to do is I want to go in with the boy brows first, and then I want to go in with the Brow Flick after that to create a little bit more like detailing in the front and kind of like that tail end. So I was doing this side and I was like, oh, it's okay. It's like a good gel, whatever. And then I pull the mirror away and then I look at the brows together. This is actually really good. Like, it looks a lot more thick. It has more colors. There's no clumping, chalkiness, powderiness, anything like that. It just looks like your brows, but better. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I've been always really skeptical about Glossier products because, I mean, it's just like products that looks natural, but they charge a pretty good amount. I might be changing my mind because this looks good. I don't know, I don't really do my brows like this, like at all. But this might be the new way. Glossier, I am so sorry. I have thought wrongly about you guys. I will buy more products from you, that's for sure. Maybe when I'm not broke or unemployed. Okay, so the next few things I am going to try. I won in this amazing giveaway by Pat McGrath and Violet Chachki. And I didn't even know I was entering because I was just watching Pat McGrath Instagram live one afternoon. I was eating my lunch and I was just like, oh my god, she's on live. I love her. She has such beautiful energy, you guys. I won the giveaway. Like, I just get contact the next day and I was like, what? Violet Chachki Beauty Edit consists of 4 different products. The Subliminal Mothership palette, which is amazing, divine, all of it. It also contains the mascara and the eyeliner. And the last thing, where did it go? Where did my stuff go? Why can I never find anything? Oh, it's right in front of me. And the last item of the bundle is the Matron's lipstick in shade Elson. I actually already have this one, so I'm not gonna try that out today. But I am so excited to try the palette and the eyeliner and the mascara. Oh, this is like a collectible item. Okay. Ready? 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 So gorgeous. Ooh, what should I try first? Alright, I am going to go in first with this middle top shade right here. Seems like a really good Oliver shade. This is such a good cool tone brown. I actually changed my mind. I'm actually gonna kind of more focus this in the transitional area, kind of more like a crease. It comes out really true to color of what it looks like on the pan, which is sometimes not the case. I cannot wait to use that blue shade. Okay, focus, Lexi. I'm gonna go in with a little thinner brush in that darker gray, and I am going to try to kind of deepen the outer V. Ooh, pigments. Wow, there's like 0 fallouts, you guys. Okay, I think I like that so far. I am going to go in with Lilac Dust right here, which is gorgeous metallic purple. And I'm just gonna go right underneath the pupil. Okay, I think that's enough. I shouldn't go nuts with it because otherwise it would turn in more like a night look versus kind of the rest of the makeup is kind of like summer, breezy, bronzy kind of look. I think I'm ready to go in with that blue now. This is called Blitz Blue. As you build it up though, you definitely see the intensity more, which I guess is like nicer because you can really go more subtle with it or you can like go ham. What should I do? I was thinking putting like a little bit brighter shade right here, right in front of the blue. Thinking between Skin Show Nude and Astral White. I think I'm gonna go with Astral White. Let's go. It's like a white, but with a lot of the blue pigments in it. So this is gonna be, oh my god, yes. Yes. Oh fudge. So eyeshadow's done. I am going to top this off with the Pat McGrath eyeliner. So this is called a Perma Precision Liquid Eyeliner. I tested this out at Sephora before, but I'm gonna be real with you guys. I feel like I could have gotten the same like quality liner with a much cheaper pricing from different brands. It's a really good eyeliner for sure. It's very black, it's very thin, it's really easy to work with and create like the thinnest, sharpest line. I just don't feel like it's worth the $32. It's a lot. But I mean, I'm glad to just have it for free. Eyeliner is done. I feel very extra today, guys. Like, oh my god, look at the length of this. I usually do like half of this length. Next up, I am going to test the Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara. Also, just look up the pricing of this. This is $30. So it betters, curls, and really like lengthen my eyelashes to the gods if it's gonna be $30. So let's see. I really shouldn't have done my eyeliner so thick because like you can't see anything right now. It's holding the eyelashes curls okay, but it's not really lengthening or curling or like really thickening that much, to be honest. I'm kind of disappointed in this. Yeah, I'm sorry, maybe just not work well with my eyelashes type, but I really like my Asian lashes really need something that like curling, lengthening, and yeah, this just not it. I just popped some lashes on. This is LA by Lily Lashes, just to kind of amp it up a little bit more because my lashes wasn't doing anything. I am going to go in with the gold shade right here, this beautiful gold shade. Dip in my Fenty Beauty, I think this is called a Shark Tooth brush. So cute, love this for highlighting. Just gonna lightly, whoa. Yes. Oh my god, I've been watching so much RuPaul Drag Race on this quarantine. I'm turning into one, and it's amazing. Sashay away if you don't like it. We are almost at the end of this. Can you believe it? I have lipsticks left. These 3 lippies right here from SEN Organics. They are so cute. It's so tiny. Like, it smelled like the first lipsticks I've ever used. Like my mom's lipstick when I was like 5 and had skin infection. Not to say that this will. Oh, so pretty. Very hydrating. Blends really, really well for a bullet lipstick. Cute. I actually really like that. It looks very natural. And I only use like a sheer amount of that. I do want to go in with Joyful, which is a sheer pink. It's in the middle. So my face doesn't look as different from my neck anymore. I feel like after everything kind of comes together, it looks better. Alrighty, that is it for today. I had so much fun trying new products in front of the camera and give just like my most honest opinion. I am sorry if I was too hyper. I just feel like I had so much energy and so much caffeine today. So everything's a little all over the place. If you guys like what you saw, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. It means so much to me. I have been wanting to do YouTube for so long. You don't even know how many footage I deleted because I just hate the way I looked, or I hate the way I talked, or it's just not something that I want to show the world. So it means so much to me that you watch, and you can give me any constructive feedback on what should I put out moving forward, or just anything that you know you want to see more or less of me. Being able to kind of just sit here and talk about makeup and you know just the things that I love really help me mentally and emotionally. So I hope it does the same thing to you. Love you. Bye.